Drivin Ivan here with a pretty cool BMW. It's automatic 3.0S, kind of like a Bavaria. Interior looks quite clean. It's in very nice shape. Now, why am I fascinated by this particular BMW? You might be wondering. Well, I like BMWs, of course. Check out my review of my really cool custom 635 CSI. It looks like an 80s, maybe Gambella, a Koenig sort of car. Check out my 2000 D9, however you want to say it, Stage 3 740i A, basically an M7, even though they didn't make one back then. And check out my review of my Alpina 320i that I had a while back, sold that one. And also my Alpina B7, which is my current favorite BMW, probably my all-time favorite BMW. Finally got a hold of one of those. So check that video out elsewhere. But this one is special because, yeah, it's cool and it's old. It's automatic. But this was actually the car, and I think the same color, basically, that Jackie Kennedy used to cruise around in. That's right. This is the Jacqueline Kennedy Onassis Bouvier, whatever you want to call her, BMW that she drove around, I believe, up north. And or maybe she drove around in the DC area. Maybe she was driving it around Georgetown, who knows. But certainly preppy cars back in the 70s and 80s, and very, very cool. There's a lot of cool cars here. There's a MGB. There's the Fiat 500L that I'm reviewing this week down here in Florida. This is actually in Naples, Florida. And lots of retro cool cars here. Bentley Azure. Another Bentley right here. It's like a Brooklands or something, who knows. But really cool interior in these, of course. This one is kind of shot. But I like the tan with blue piping and blue and tan sort of interior. It's convertible too, which is really nice here in Naples. This one is much nicer inside. Much newer, of course. And Land Rover, of course. But look what we have here. Yes. An early Jaguar saloon. Check out my other Jaguar videos, XJR video. And I bought the cheapest XJR video is my video out there on YouTube land. And also my Estate, my X-Type Estate wagon. It's about this color. Pretty cool. Wow, Nebraska Historical. It's a 3.4 Mark II. Great Britain on the back there. Really nice right-hand drive version, sport, Land Rover here. Little Mercedes SL timeline here. This is very similar to the car I had, a 75. And check out my full review of that one. You'll want to see that review because I give a whole history of SLs in that video. So check out that one elsewhere on YouTube. And my current car, a 74 blue on blue Mercedes SL. And then the one I had prior to that, actually 380 SL from 1984. So check out that review elsewhere on YouTube. But this one, the SL, and then this one, the earlier version, worth a lot more money, the Pagoda, because of the hardtop and how it looks like a pagoda. This would be probably a late 60s, maybe very early around 1970s model. And then this just looks like a regular Mercedes convertible from the 90s. But really cool. The interior difference here is quite staggering between this one and the 450 SL here. And much more modern here. Still not modern by today's standards, but much more modern the way it looks in here before. But like I said, check out my full review. But this one is just a cream puff, really cool. And love those big SL steering wheels. This is a really cool Camaro right here. Yes, sir. Let's check this thing out. Rally Sport 327. Man, look at the color on this. Kind of in love with this one. My first car was a Chevelle. 1970 Chevelle. You can see it in What Does Drivin Ivan Drive video. And if you find that one, please let me know where it is. I think I saw it headed to North Carolina. Going through the DC Beltway. Not too long ago. It's on my Instagram page. That was definitely my car that I spotted. I just didn't know where it was going. And I would love to track it down. This is super, super cool. What a rare color, and very pristine, original looking car. Looks like it was driven from another state or something, but wow. Yes, sir. Camaro RS Rally Sport. Another Bentley. Very nice. And then over here, why not check out the Aston Martin? Yeah. Beautiful cars. Over here we have another Jag and an MGB GT. The shooting brake version. Love those shooting brakes. Kind of the wagon version of this one right here. But there you go. Jackie Kennedy's BMW along with some other cool classic cars. And just Google any car you want to see and Drivin Ivan and you will find it on YouTube. And don't forget to follow me on Twitter and Instagram. Check out all my other disc golf videos. I just shot a disc golf video at Palm Beach here in Naples. Great disc golf course. First time I played there. Really pretty course. Check out my music videos as well. And there you have it. If you need a good realtor in the DC area, give me a ring. Thanks for watching. I'm Drivin Ivan.